Toyota Scion 2008 XB, replacing the oil change. This is uses 520 or 020, depends on what the area you're living in. I'm gonna show you. Just open this that way to put it calls for 4.5 quarts. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is the front part of the car. Right here, that's the tank. That's the 40mm bolt that you lose, you drain. I already drained the oil. And right here is the where the new oil filter is gonna go. So basically, I'm just gonna show you the part number. This is part number, OEM Toyota. So once you put it on, just put some oil on the ring, on the gasket, so it doesn't get sealed with the heat. So you just put it there underneath and you just go clockwise. So that, and then you just put your oil right here. So I'm gonna show you something. Okay, let's see. Okay. So when you pour your oil, make sure you pour it on the left side. You see, because this has like something here that the oil has to go on the left side. If you pour right here, most likely you're gonna end up like spilling oil all over on the back of the engine, and it's gonna go all the way to the bottom. So just make sure you put your funnel on this cap right here on the left side. Okay, so in this case I'm gonna put 520 Mag 1. I've been using this the last few 6 months, and this seems like this is probably better than Mobile One. I've been using the past Mobile One, but it seems like Mobile One breaks down pretty easily. I mean, no, like easily, but faster than this one. So I would highly recommend this one, Mag 1. So I've been using on my cars, and it's pretty cheap, like 25 bucks a gallon on eBay. So all right, so now you know about this oil. It's pretty good brand. So 520. So once again, right here, Toyota 2008 Scion XB oil filter, OEM, part number. Okay, cheers.